Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about general knowledge question on Assam which are very important for upcoming APSC examination. So you are watching Assam general knowledge. Let's get started. So our first question is, in ancient times Assam is also known by the name of option A Kalibor, option B Guwahati, option C Pragjyotishpur, and option D Charaideo. And the correct option is option C Pragjyotishpur. Question number 2 is, in which hilltop the Kamakhya temple is located? Option A Nilachal Hills, option B Chitrachal Hills, option C Sandhyachal Hills, and option D Jogini Hills. So the correct answer is option A Nilachal Hills. The question number 3 is, in which year the capital of Assam is shifted from Shillong to Dispur? Option A in 1950, option B in 1955, option C in 1971, and option D in 1973. And the correct answer is option D in 1973. Question number 4 is, the Assam Sahitya Sabha was first founded in which year? Option A 1902, option B 1912, option C 1917, and option D 1921. So the correct answer is option C 1917. It is started to promote culture of Assam and Assamese literature. Question number 5 is, the first conference of Assam Sahitya Sabha was held at option A Kamrup, option B Shivsagar, option C Barpeta, option D Dhubri. And the correct answer is option B Shivsagar. Question number 6 is, who was the first president of Assam Sahitya Sabha? And the options are option A Lakshminath Bezbarua, option B Padmanath Gohain Barua, option C Hemchandra Goswami, option D Rajinikanth Bordoloi. And the correct option is option B Padmanath Gohain Barua. Question number 7 is, total number of national parks in Assam are option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 7. And the correct answer is option C 5. And the name of the national parks are number 1 Kaziranga. Kaziranga. Number 2, Manas. Number 3, Tibru Saikhoa. Number 4, Nameri. Number 5, Orang. Question number 8 is total number of bridges over the river Brahmaputra are option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, and option D 7. And correct answer is option C 6. Name of the bridge are number 1, Dola Saidia, Dhola, Dola, and the length of this bridge is 9.15 kilometer. Number 2, Bogibeel Bridge in Dibrugarh, Bogibeel Bridge in Dibrugarh. Number 3, Saraighat Bridge in Guwahati. Number 4, Kolia Bhomora Setu in Tejpur. Kolia Bhomora Setu in Tejpur. Number 5, Narayana Setu. And number 6 is New Saraighat Bridge, which is just next to the old Saraighat Bridge. So question number 9 is the Narayana Setu connects the Pancharatna town with which city? Option A, Kalibor, option B, Tejpur, option C, Bongaigaon, option D, Jogikhopa. And the correct answer is option D, Jogikhopa. Question number 10 is who was the first Chief Minister of Assam? Option A, Bishnuram Medhi, option B, Tarun Ram Phukan, option C, Gopinath Bordoloi, and option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, Gopinath Bordoloi. Question number 11 is Srimanta Shankardev was born in the year option A 1352, option B 1432, option C 1449, and option D 1465. And the correct answer is option C 1449. Question number 12 is the first Assamese film Joymoti was released in which year? Option A 1922, option B 1935, option C 1938, and option D 1942. And the correct answer is option B 1935. Question number 13 is the Abhiruchi Sports Day is celebrated on which date? Option A 13th January, option B 12th August, option C 30th August, and option D 3rd September. And the correct answer is option D 3rd September. Question number 14 is Bhogeshwar Barua wins a medal in the Dash Asian Games. Option A 1962 Asian Games, option B 1966 Asian Games, option C 1978 Asian Games, and option D 1972 Asian Games. And the correct answer is option B 1966 Asian Games. So he got the medal for 800 meter running event. He got the medal in 800 meter running event. Question 15 is who was the last king of Ahom Kingdom in Assam? Option A Gobar Roja, option B Sutanpha, option C Purandar Singha, and option D Jogeshwar Singha. And the correct answer is option C Purandar Singha. Question number 16 is the Treaty of Rendezvous was signed in the which year? Option A 1802, option B 1826, option C 1830, option D 1832. And the correct answer is option B 1826. Question number 17. Which one is the first Assamese novel? Option A Mirijiori, option B Podun Kunwari, option C Bhanumati, option D Sudharmar Upakhyan. And the correct answer is option C Bhanumati. Question number 18. The state anthem O Moor Apunar Desh was first published in the magazine named option A Bahi, option B Jonaki, option C Surabhi, option D John Berry. And the correct answer is option A Bahi. Question number 19. The first Assamese magazine Orundoi was published in the year option A 1836, option B 1846, option C 1872, option D 1882. And the correct answer is option B 1846. Question number 20. The first Assamese to compile a dictionary named Hemkosh is option A Dimbeshwar Niyog, option B Chandradhar Barua, option C Hemchandra Goswami, and option D Hemchandra Barua. And the correct answer is option D Hemchandra Barua. Question number 21. Who is the first Assamese to receive Janapith Award? Option A, Indira Goswami. Option B, Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya. Option C, Bhupen Hazarika. And option D, Hemchandra Barua. And the correct answer is option B, Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya. The Janapith Award is given for outstanding contribution in literature, and the prize money is 11 lakh. A bronze replica of Vagdevi is also given. Question number 22. Total number of districts in Assam state is option A 25, option B 26, option C 27, and option D 33. And the correct answer is option D 33. Question number 23. Huan Sang visited Assam during the reign of option A Pushpa Burman, option B Mahendra Burman, option C Bhaskar Burman, option D Brahmapala. And the correct answer is option C Bhaskar Burman. Question number 24. In which year Sukapa established Ahom Kingdom in Charaidio? Option A 1253, option B 1272, option C 1296, and option D 1309. And the correct answer is option A 1253. Question number 25. The War of Saraighat was fought between Ahom and Mughal in which year? Option A 1652, option B 1667, option C 1670, option D 1671. And the correct answer is option D 1671. So, question number 26. The Mahatma Gandhi first visited in Assam in which year? Option A 1918, option B 1919, option C 1920, option D 1921. So the correct answer is option D 1921. Question number 27. The first book to win Sahitya Akademi Award is option A Yarringam, option B Bonful, option C Alkananda, option D Pita Putra. And the correct answer is option B Bonful. The main purpose of Sahitya Akademi Award is to recognize and promote excellence in Indian writing and also acknowledge new trends. And also the prize money to be given is 1 lakh. So you have to remember it. Question number 28. Who is the first barrister of Assam? Option A Haliram Deka, option B Pranab Kumar Barua, option C Anundaram Barua, option D Parul Das. And the correct answer is option C, Anundoram Barua. Question number 29. Which one is the largest district in Assam in terms of area? Option A, Barpeta. Option B, Karbi Anglong. Option C, Sibsagar. And option D, Dibrugarh. And the correct answer is option B, Karbi Anglong. Karbi Anglong. Question number 30. In which district Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary is located? Option A, Golaghat. Option B, Sibsagar. Option C, Karbi Anglong. And option D, Dibrugarh. And the correct answer is option C, Karbi Anglong. The area of Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary is 6.05 kilometer square, and it is one of the oldest wildlife sanctuary which contains the hot water spring. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.